Welcome to my tutorial on DreamBot development for old-school RuneScape botting using Apache NetBeans with Ant. Apache NetBeans is a popular integrated development environment, IDE, for Java development, known for its robust features and ease of use. Ant is a powerful build tool used in Java environments for automating software build processes. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps of creating your first old-school RunEscape Java bot in NetBeans. Step 1. Launching NetBeans. Start the Apache NetBeans IDE on your computer. Look for the NetBeans icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once open, you'll be greeted with the main workspace, full of various menus and tools to assist in your development work. Step 2. Creating a new project. Go to the top menu and click on File, typically located in the upper left corner. Then select New Project from the drop-down menu. This opens a window to choose your project type. Choose Java with Ant from the list, indicating a Java project using Ant for its build process. Click Next to proceed. Name your project First Script and choose a directory for your project, ideally in a dedicated development folder. Once done, click Finish. Step 3. Adding dependencies. For non-modularized projects, add your DreamBot client.jar to the class path. Open project properties and select libraries. Next to class path, click Add jar folder. Browse to your DreamBot bot data directory and select client.jar. Finally, click OK to apply changes. Step 5. Writing a simple logger script. To add a Java class to our project, right-click Source Packages, click New, and select Java class. Name your class Test Script and click Finish to create it. From here, go to the GitHub repository mentioned in the description of this video and copy the code from testscript.java over to your project. Save the Java project by using the keyboard shortcut Control + S or by selecting Save in the File menu. At this point, our code is ready to be turned into an artifact and run. Step 6. Building your project. With the jar file on the class path and code copied to the test script, your project is ready for compilation. NetBeans will use Ant to build your code. To do so, press F11 or select Run and then Build Project, First Script. If the build is successful and there are no errors, you can move on to running and testing your project. Step 7. Testing. Congratulations! You have successfully built your first DreamBot script using Ant and NetBeans. You can now proceed to add it to the scripts folder and run it using the DreamBot client. By default, NetBeans will create and add your jar file to the NetBeans projects directory. The jar file needs to be copied over to the DreamBot scripts folder. Your console will print my first script every second if it is correctly working.